You are the Deputy General Manager HR.
Yes, sir.
Are teachers nowadays commodities? Teachers, are they now commodities in the market?
No.
That you purchase through a tender system? Change it immediately. Give due respect to the teachers, to where they belong to the society. Commodities are purchased through tender process, not teachers. Mind that. Why did you do it? To give some financial gain to your company? Thinking your career will go higher. I saved so much of money by not having proper teacher in the school. Did you think that? Or what did you think? Why this thought came to your mind that I'll purchase teachers through a contract system, tender system? Why did that thought came to you? Supposed to be a responsible officer, DGM, quite high ranking. Why did that thought come to you? Yes, please. Please speak out.
My lord, I humbly submit that actually company has carried out a assessment for a manpower system.
So your company feels that nowadays teachers are commodities. You purchase from the market by floating a tender.
No.
And through a labor contractor. A labor contractor who may not even have the basic education also. See the veracity of your act. I think you don't deserve to be a DGM. You don't deserve to be a DGM of a responsible company. No, absolutely no. And you are trying to justify that company had taken a policy. What policy the company had taken? These are they cattle or some commodity available in the market? You celebrate Teachers' Day. Why? To convert them to commodities. Don't even have the basic concept in what is this? And you're now trying to say it's a policy. What do you mean by policy? What is policy? Please tell us what do you mean by concept policy?
Actually,
what do you mean by the word policy? Please tell us. Don't show us those papers. What do you mean by policy?
There is a systematic.
What do you mean by the concept policy? Please tell us, because you uttered the word policy.
To maintain a uniformity in the company.
Maintaining uniformity is a policy. Do you think so? We'll take up after some time, find out the meaning of the word policy, then come back. Atrocious, Mr. DGM, nothing else.
Not recalling that.
Sorry?
Recalling that order.
Why did they do it, first of all? Recalling is not the answer. Why did you do it? Why will you degrade a teacher to this level? We want that answer first, Mr. Ahmed.
Because we are Government of India guidelines are there also.
Government, show me the guideline where the government of India said that they get teachers through a tender system. Let me see. Let us see that Government of India guideline. Who had issued it? Don't show those bunch of paper. It's not a Government of India guideline. Show me, you said it's a Government of India guideline. Show me who had issued that guideline. And now you want, see, teachers will be recruited by tender system through a labor contractor who may not have the basic education also. And these people will be educating our next generation. Did you go to such a school? You did not. Therefore, you are a DGM. So how do you expect that your future generation will be treated to this treatment? Let us see the guidelines.
I apologize, sir.
Even if the Government of India had made a policy, you should have written back to them that this is inappropriate. And let us see the guideline of the Government of India, who had issued it. Please let us see, because he had taken a defense that it's a guideline by the Government of India. Let us take a look. Yes, why are you taking so long to give that thing? If you have it, please hand over. Underline the exact line where the government of India said that recruit teachers by a tender system to a labor contractor. Let us take a look at it.
In that document,
Please, flag mark and give it to us. Don't give the whole bunch. Okay, call the next item. He's taking too much of time. We wait for some time. Call the next item, please.
Item 52.
First, you arrange your paper and then come back to the court.
Item 52.
And what's your name, Mr. DGM?
Arun Kumar,
Arun Kumar. What is your qualification?
Masters in Human Resource.
Masters in Human Resource. Did you get your education through ever did you get in your life, did you get an education from a teacher who was recruited by a labor contractor through tender system? Did you ever get it?
Sir, I apologize.